आई थिंक या तो मेरे वाले चाहते थे मौजिन या डॉक्टर, और खुदा का शुक्र मैं दोनों में से एक भी नहीं बना। बहुत बुरा होता।
All right. If you had to pick one cricketer to spend the lockdown with, who would you pick?
International cricketer?
Any cricketer.
International cricketer Robin Uthappa and domestic cricketer Rakesh Solanki.
Brilliant. All right. If you were given one superpower, which one would it be?
इनविजिबल होके मैं चाहता हूँ कि यार इनविजिबल होके ना रात को निकलूं और कुछ ऐसे काम करूं जो जिसके बारे में बात ना हो और चुपचाप
ये आपने बहुत
काम भी हो जाए।
ये बहुत अजीब सा आपने एक एग्जांपल दिया है। आई एम श्योर यू मीन वेल, लेकिन ये आप
ऐसे काम करूं जिसमें लोगों का फायदा हो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। So that's what. Yeah, brilliant. All right. One food item you cannot get enough of.
I think biryani.
First class. Best film or web series you've seen of late?
There are three.
बोलिए.
Money Heist.
Yeah.
Urtukul Ghazi. And the third one is Patal Lok.
I just mentioned that before I came on. Patal Lok was really good. Yeah, Money Heist में थोड़ा बोर हो गया, but ठीक है, शायद मेरे लेवल का इंटेलिजेंस नहीं था.
How can you get?
I know. I've heard this. I've seen this reaction before. अब क्या? Okay, because of you, I'll try it again. ठीक है? I will give it another shot.
Not even a single episode of Money Heist I was bored.
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है. Let me try again. I will try only for you. I will try again. All right. Next question. Best captain you played under?
Rahul Dravid.
Biggest influence on your cricket career?
My brother.
Okay. Smartest cricketing brain according to you?
Dhoni.
Who has the best sense of humor in cricket according to you?
Apart from me, Harbhajan Singh.
All right. One holiday destination you can visit again and again?
Kashmir.
Okay. One batsman you enjoyed bowling to?
यार enjoyment कैसे होगा किसी bowler का यार?
एक कोई तो होता है ना जो you feel कि this is my bunny, इसको तो मैं मतलब even today if I roll my arm over I'll get him.
Afridi.
One batsman you hated bowling to?
यार you know सबसे मुश्किल बैट्समैन दो थे, एक एडम गिलक्रिस्ट, छोटा डालो कट पुल में लगेगा, आगे डालो हवा में मार देगा, और तो ये बहुत मुश्किल था, और दूसरा इंजमामुल हक, ऐसा लगता था यार उनके पास बहुत टाइम है.
Brilliant. One spell from your career you remember most fondly?
इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में I think 2007 वर्ल्ड कप यार फाइनल, मतलब वो दिल के बहुत करीब है. एक एक बॉल मुझे याद है, मैं कौन से एरिया में फील्डिंग कर रहा था वो भी मुझे याद है, और मैच ऐसा पूरा सीसूर की तरह जा रहा था. तो आई थिंक वर्ल्ड T20 फाइनल में.
Brilliant. One sportsman from another sport that you would love to meet someday?
Yeah, I had my wish to meet Muhammad Ali.
Okay. All right. One thing outside of cricket that you are better than Yusuf?
Yeah, he doesn't believe that, but I'm a better driver.
Really? He doesn't believe him?
उसने मुझे सिखाया ड्राइविंग, मुझे मेरे भाई ने सिखाई है, बट मेरे को लगता है आई एम अ बेटर ड्राइवर देन माय ब्रदर एंड आई एम अ बेटर टीम मेकर. मैं चाय बहुत अच्छी बनाता हूं.
तो ये अगला सवाल, you can predict one thing outside of cricket that Yusuf is better at than you?
Cooking.
Okay. And you agree to that or you disagree to that?
No, I agree.
You agree. Okay, brilliant. Toughest bowler you ever faced?
I think it wasn't for very long, but Mendes. Ajanta Mendes.
Sure. Yeah. One bowler from today's generation that you would have loved to bowl in tandem with?
Bumrah, yaar. I would love to be, have a partner with Bumrah. He's bowling from other end, I'm bowling from one end. And, he's not giving away anything, trying to take wickets. I'm bowling with the new ball, trying to take wickets. I think that would have been something.
Brilliant. All right. Time to pick. Bowling with the new ball or batting at number 3? I think I know this. Yeah.
Bowling with the new ball.
Touring Australia or touring Pakistan, what was more challenging?
Australia. Touring Australia is more challenging.
Okay.
Because they play very aggressive cricket anyways.
Okay. 50 over cricket or 20-20 cricket?
I think T20.
All right. I think I know this one as well. Man of the match in the 2007 World T20 final or the hat trick in Karachi? What is the sweeter memory?
Man of the match, T20 World Cup final.
Okay. Coaching or commentary?
Oh, that's a tough one यार रौनक. ये बहुत टाइम लगाया लगता है तूने.
ये ना ये तो बहुत मतलब ये तो इजी है. सवाल पूछना तो आसान है.
I think coaching. I really enjoy seeing people grow. So coaching.
Brilliant. Twitter or Instagram?
Twitter.
Okay. Smith or Kohli?
Any day Kohli.
Red ball or white ball?
Yeah. Love to play red ball. Love to watch white ball.
Okay, brilliant. Nice answer. First thing that comes to mind when I say the IPL?
Change Indian cricket.
Baroda.
Can do a lot better in terms of cricket.
JNK.
Very close to my heart in terms of working with the boys.
All right. 2007 World T20.
पहले चैंपियन को हमेशा लोग याद करते हैं. तो चैंपियन.
MS Dhoni.
Great achiever.
Greg Chappell.
Misunderstood character.
Wonderful. Virat Kohli.
One line में बोलना ठीक रहेगा नहीं रहेगा लेकिन I would have loved to play under Virat Kohli captainship because he's a kind of captain who backs his player. He goes out of the way to back his player. So I think he's a he's actually जो लीडर का डेफिनेशन होता है ना वो है. He's a leader.
All right. Rahul Dravid.
Most underrated cricketer in the world.
Yeah. And I think थोड़ा मैं rapid fire pause करूँगा. The one thing I like that you said is best captain for Dravid. बहुत बार मैं भी ये जवाब देता हूँ कि people पूछते हैं कि who is the most underrated captain? Cricketer तो छोड़िए, but I said Dravid is actually one of the most underrated captains of Indian cricket. I want you to sort of elaborate on that. Don't you think he was a fine captain to play under?
100%. Yeah, he was a very, very clear. Whatever he wanted for the team. See, every captain has their way, right? There are captains who thinks differently. Obviously, Rahul Dravid used to think differently as well. But he was very clear in terms of his communication. यार आपको ये आपका रोल है और आपको उस हिसाब से चलना है और and whatever he wanted to do everything because उन्होंने क्रिकेट भी वैसे ही खेला यार. वो विकेट कीपिंग करने को तैयार थे, वो ओपन करने को तैयार थे, वो नंबर 3 करने को तैयार थे. लोग उनको बोलते थे यार वो वनडे क्रिकेट में इतना अच्छा क्रिकेटर नहीं है लेकिन 10,000 रन बना चुके हैं. सो वनडे क्रिकेट में भी यार वो इतने जबरदस्त टीम मैन थे तो उनका कप्तानी का तरीका भी टीम के लिए था. तो आई थिंक उस मामले में बहुत जबरदस्त थे और कोई भी दिक्कत होती थी वो ऐसे कैप्टन थे जैसे बहुत कैप्टनों के साथ उनके साथ कम्युनिकेशन करना उनको अगर आपको पकड़ना है तो मुश्किल हो जाता है कि यार कहाँ है, कहाँ गायब हो गए. बात करनी है तो बात करने को वो मिलेंगे नहीं. जब उनको बात करना है तो एकदम सब उनके पास फोन भी आ जाते हैं. लेकिन ये कप्तान ऐसे थे कि आप इनको रात को 2 बजे भी इनको मैसेज डालो, उनको आप अगर परेशान हो तो आप जा सकते हो बेझिझक होके. वैसे कप्तान थे वो. एंड आई थिंक कप्तानी का सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी कि आप कम्युनिकेशन हमेशा हर प्लेयर के साथ रखें.
Brilliant. Coming back to the rapid fire, first thing that comes to mind when I say Twitter trolls.
Fake.
Cricinfo.
क्या है?
Cricinfo.
Cricinfo, my first experience, to go
first
live.
Thing that comes to mind. Joe, whatever you say. First thing that comes to mind.
My first experience to actually go and talk about cricket openly, apart from doing commentary.
Oh yeah. It was you were with us before you were with any other broadcaster. हमने launch किया है भाई इरफान पठान को.
And I always appreciate that. The reason that कोई भी चीज आप पहले करते हो. जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ यार सौरव गांगुली मेरा हमेशा स्पेशल कप्तान रहेगा बिकॉज वो पहले कप्तान था. और जब पहला कप्तान होता है वो एक राह दिखाता है और उनमें वो काबिलियत थी मतलब हर लड़के को राह दिखाने की, हर लड़के को सपोर्ट करने की. सो आई थिंक क्रिकेट के साथ भी वैसी बात होती है कि मेरा वो पहला स्टेप था कमेंट्री की तरफ.
Wonderful. And lastly, first thing that comes to mind when I say me.
Good man.
Thank you, my friend.
Good cricketing knowledge.
Oh, bapre.
Good commentator. And I think
yes, we did some radio. We did some radio. Yeah, I remember. I forgot about that. मैंने post तो डाला था.
That's why I said.